Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find Wells Fargo bank routing number in application. Wells Fargo routing number is more important than you might think. Here's why. First, it's essential for direct deposits, whether your paycheck, tax refunds, or government benefits. The routing number ensures your money gets to the right account quickly and securely. Secondly, it makes bill payments and transfers super easy. You can link your account to pay utilities, loans, or even send money between banks without hassle. Third, it's perfect for automatic payments, from subscriptions to mortgage payments. It keeps everything running smoothly so you never miss a due date. And the best part is you can use it for wire transfers, both domestic and international, making it a great for business or personal use. So, how do you find it? First of all you have to do is open your Wells Fargo banking application on your phone and sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, you will be landed on the home page of the Wells Fargo banking application. You will see your account balance, your savings balance, your credit card balance. What you have to do is select the bank account. For example, if you want to find the routing number of your checking account, you have to click on the checking. A new page will open where you'll be able to see Overview, Manage Account, and Routing and Details. You have to select the Routing and Details option, and on this page you will be able to see your account number, your routing numbers, direct deposit and electronic payments number, domestic wire transfer number, and monthly service fee summary. What you have to do is find the routing number, and you can copy the routing number by clicking it, or you can long press the routing number to copy a routing number and send it to whatever person you want to send. And that's basically how you can find Wells Fargo bank routing number. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.